नमस्कार साथीहरू, तपाईहरुलाई च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। र आज मैले बीबीएस फर्स्ट इयर इकोनोमिक्सको इम्पोर्टेन्ट थियोरेटिकल क्वेशन, शर्ट क्वेशन ल्याएको छु। फोर्थ युनिट अर्थात् एनालाइसिस अफ कन्ज्युमर बिहेभियर भन्ने च्याप्टरको शर्ट क्वेशन लिएर आएको छु। र क्वेशनहरु यस प्रकार रहेका छन्। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कार्डिनल युटिलिटी अप्रोच? आन्सर: Cardinal utility approach means that method of analyzing utility which believes that utility is quantitative concept and it can be measured numerically. Its unit of measurement is utils. Next question, question number 2. Define the concept of ordinal utility approach. Answer: Ordinal utility approach is the method of analyzing utility as a subjective phenomenon. According to this concept, utility cannot be expressed quantitatively. Utility can be ranked and put in the order according to consumers' preference. Question number 3. Define indifference curve. Indifference curve is defined as the locus of different combination of any two goods which yields same level of same satisfaction or utility. It is downward sloping and convex to the origin. Question number 4. Make a list of properties of indifference curve. Answer: The properties of indifference curve are as follows. First, negative slope or downward sloping curve. Second, convex to the origin. Third, two indifference curve intersect each other. Fourth, higher the indifference curve, higher will be satisfaction and vice versa. Question number 5. What is the reason for the convex shape of an indifference curve? The indifference curve is convex to the origin because of diminishing rate of substitution was increasing. The shape of an indifference curve would be concave to the origin. Similarly, question number 6. Why does a rational consumer choose higher indifference curve? A rational consumer chooses higher indifference curve because higher indifference curve yields higher level of satisfaction. Question number 7. Why higher indifference curve represent higher level of satisfaction? Answer: The higher level of indifference curve represent higher combination of both goods. Therefore, higher level of indifference curve represent higher level of satisfaction. Question number 8. Define the marginal rate of substitution. The marginal rate of substitution is defined as the rate at which one commodity is substituted for another so that the total satisfaction remains same. It is the slope of an indifference curve. MRS xy is equal to minus del y upon del x is equal to mux upon muy. Now question number 9. Define budget line, price line in one sentence. Budget line is defined as the locus of different combination of any two goods that can be purchased by the given money, income or budget of the consumer. It can be expressed as B is equal to Px into Qx plus Py into Qy. Now question number 10. What do you mean by consumer's equilibrium? The consumer's equilibrium mean maximum satisfaction or utility derived by a consumer given his or her income and market prices. Question number 11. Write down condition required for the consumer's equilibrium according to the ordinal utility approach. Answer: The following two conditions must be fulfilled in order to attain equilibrium according to ordinal analysis. First, price line must be tangent to the indifference curve. Slope of indifference curve is equal to slope of price line, or MRS xy is equal to Px upon Py. Second, indifference curve should be convex to the origin. Question number 12. When does consumer's equilibrium change? Answer: When there is change in income of the consumer or change in price of good, consumer's equilibrium changes. Question number 13. Draw three indifference curve showing perfect substitute between x and y. Good x and y are perfect substitute if MRS xy is constant. It means that we should give up the sum unit of y to get an additional unit of x. In the figure, consumers move from A to B on the same indifference curve IC3. The MRS xy is 3. Similarly, she or he moves from point B to C. The MRS xy is 3. Hence, the three indifference curve IC1, IC2 and IC3 show perfect substitute between x and y. Question number 14. Draw three indifference curves showing perfect complementary between x and y. Answer. Good x and y are perfect complementary if MRS yx are 0. In the figure, points A, B and C are in indifference curve IC1. Point C shows same amount of y and more of x than at a point B. Hence, the consumer saturated with x and MRS xy is 0. Similarly, point A shows the same amount of x and more of y than at a point B. Hence, the consumer is saturated with y and MRS yx is 0. Car and gasoline may be regarded as the perfect complements. Full stop. In general, indifference curve are neither straight line nor right angle. सो यसरी चाहिँ हाम्रो यो सर्ट क्वेसन रहेको थियो र अन्तिमसम्म भिडियो हेर्नुभयो त्यसको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद. थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच.